Alright, well, obviously I had the B02 out and the Z01 out today. I did all that work on the Z1, and then I thought maybe run the B2 for a little bit. I still don't have it quite dialed in, and of course every time it sits for a little bit you have to contend with whatever tiny bits of oil settle out in the needle. So I'm excited it ran real nice, but I'm gonna have to get a full tank and run it for a day again to get it cleared out. So maybe it'll run for an extended period with whatever needle adjustment I make on it. But still a lovely little model and running really well.